Did you know that maintaining positive relationships lowers a person's stress levels and risk of illness? Studies show that having a strong social network even increases longevity. That's why we're going to focus on the relationship skills unit of the Social Emotional Learning curriculum from Everyday Speech. The Collaborative for Academic and Social and Emotional Learning, or CASEL, provides a framework of the crucial skills to teach social emotional learning and development. We've built our curriculum on these 5 competencies, and relationship skills is our Unit 4. Positive relationship skills help establish and maintain healthy relationships later in life. This includes equipping students with the skills to effectively listen and communicate, navigate conflict, problem solve, and work in groups. As educators, we want our students to experience academic success, but we also want them to experience social success. Students who possess strong relationship skills are better prepared to be leaders, have successful careers, and achieve happiness through positive relationships with others. So equipping our students with the skills needed to cultivate relationships is kind of a big deal. The Everyday Speech curriculum highlights concepts related to building empathy, learning how to compromise, handling conflicts with friends, fairness, and more. At the end of this unit, students should be able to communicate effectively with others, practice teamwork across small and large group settings, demonstrate independent and collaborative problem solving, resolve social conflicts, and stand up for others and demonstrate inclusivity. So how do we teach this? Start by utilizing small group work in your classroom. Breaking up into small groups gives learners the opportunity to explore their role as a productive group member, agree and disagree with others respectfully, and a chance to demonstrate independence and leadership. Another great way to promote relationship skills in your classroom is with the use of play. Play is essential for many developmental skills related to relationship building. Once students are able to effectively and successfully navigate the relationships in their lives, you'll notice an overall improvement in their mood and happiness. Don't forget to try out the Relationship Skills Community Bulletin Board and to send home our printable handouts for parents and guardians. We know that using a community approach works best for SEL carryover outside of the classroom.